Let's be real, your eyebrows are the frame of your entire face. You can have the best makeup in the world, but if your brows are acting out, the whole look is off. Triangular flag today, I'm revealing the top 20 Amazon brow essentials that are literally breaking the internet in 2026. From the secret to that $100 salon lamination look for under $10, to a brow tint that stays on for 3 days, we are covering it all. These aren't just products. They are your ticket to model off-duty brows every single morning. I've linked every single one of these in the description below so you can grab them before they sell out. Stick around for number 10, because it's a total game changer for anyone who hates filling in their brows every day. Let's get you that arch perfection. First up, the heavyweight champion of hold, NYX Professional Makeup The Brow Glue. If you have stubborn hairs that refuse to stay up, this is your new best friend. It's a 16-hour extreme hold, non-sticky, transparent formula. It's tiny, but it's mighty. It gives you that high-fashion, laminated look instantly without the salon price tag. Whether you're blonde or have dark brows, it dries down completely clear and flake-free. Just brush up, let it set, and you are locked in for the day. On a scale of 1 to 10, how stubborn are your brow hairs? Comment your number below. I'm a solid 9. If your brows are a little sparse or thin, you need the e.l.f. Wow Brow Gel. This is a wax gel hybrid infused with hair-like fibers. It doesn't just hold, it actually adds volume. It's 100% vegan and cruelty-free, and for $6, the value is unbeatable. It's perfect for those no-makeup days when you just want your brows to look naturally thick and groomed. It even covers those pesky stray grays. It's lightweight, buildable, and honestly, it rivals the $30 luxury brands. Are you a natural brow girl or a full glam girl? Tell me your vibe in the comments. Now, for the gold standard, Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. This is professional grade, water-based clear wax. If you want that lifted, feathered, editorial look that stays put from 8 a.m. to midnight, this is it. It's alcohol-free and oil-free, making it perfect for sensitive skin. It's a bit of an investment at $23, but a tiny bit goes such a long way. Pro tip: apply it to clean brows and press down firmly for that ultimate, frozen effect. It's luxury in a tube. Is ABH the goat of brow brands? Smash that like button if you agree. L'Oreal just changed the game with the Infallible up to 24H brow lamination. Look at this angled brush. It's designed to mimic a professional lamination tool. This formula is water resistant, meaning your brows won't budge even if you're caught in the rain or sweating at the gym. It's lightweight, dries fast, and gives that polished, salon-quality finish for half the price of high-end brands. It's the perfect balance of comfort and extreme long wear. 24-hour hold. Would you wear this to the gym or a late-night party? Comment below. Need a reliable everyday tamer? The NYX Control Freak Gel is your go-to. It's a clear, non-sticky formula that works perfectly as a top coat over your favorite brow pencil or powder to seal everything in. And here's a secret hack: it doubles as a clear mascara to give your lashes a natural, curled lift. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and super budget-friendly. It's the Control Freak your makeup bag has been waiting for. Do you prefer clear gel or tinted gel? Let's settle the debate in the comments. The e.l.f. Brow Laminating Gel is all about the tools. Look at this dual-ended applicator. You get a precision spoolie on one side and a comb on the other. This allows you to actually sculpt the hair into place, not just coat it. It's water-resistant and formulated with glycerin to condition your brow hairs while holding them. For $9, you're getting a professional sculpting experience that keeps your brows looking sharp and laminated all day long. How long does it take you to do your brows? 2 minutes or 20? Be honest. If you hate that white, flaky residue some gels leave behind, you need Makup Beauty Brow Me. This is a specialized wax gel hybrid infused with vitamin E. It dries completely clear, no white cast, no crunchiness, just a soft, flexible hold that looks incredibly natural. It's sweat-proof and comes with a high-quality dual applicator. Many users say this actually performs better than the big-name brands because it stays invisible while working overtime. White flakes in brows are the worst, right? Drop a snowflake emoji if you've ever been victimized by a flaky brow gel. When you want the absolute best, you go to the experts. The Benefit 24 HR Brow Setter is a cult classic for a reason. The custom-molded, dual-sided wand has long bristles to coat hairs evenly and short bristles to sculpt them into place. It is a 24-hour, flake-free, waterproof powerhouse. If you have very thick or unruly brows that laugh at normal gels, this is the one that will finally tame them. It's the ultimate investment in your beauty routine. What's the one beauty product you take to a desert island? Is it this? Let me know. For the busy girls who need speed, the Laura Geller Sculpt-n-Stay is a genius 2-in-1. You get a waterproof precision tip pencil on one end to fill in those sparse gaps and a setting gel on the other to lock it all in. The taupe shade is world famous for being the perfect, universal, color for blondes and grays. It's smudge-proof, easy to use, and saves so much space in your bag. It's the ultimate, all-in-one brow solution. Pencil, powder, or pomade? What's your favorite way to fill in? Comment below. The Cilrofelr Tattoo Peel-Off Gel. Imagine waking up for 3 days straight with perfect brows already done. You apply this gel, let it sit for 20 minutes, and peel it off to reveal a waterproof, transfer-proof tint that looks like a professional brow tattoo. It's hypoallergenic, vegan, and comes in a 2-pack. It's perfect for vacations, busy work weeks, or anyone who wants a low-maintenance glow-up. This is the definition of a viral beauty hack. Would you try a peel-off brow tint? Comment tattoo if you're brave enough to try it. Let's talk about 24-hour security. The Maybelline Super Lock Brow Glue isn't just a gel, it's an insurance policy for your face. This lightweight, waterproof tinted formula is designed to sculpt and lock your brows in a super lock grip that lasts a full day and night. It's sweat-resistant, transfer-resistant, and won't flake out on you. The medium brown shade gives you that perfect, I woke up like this depth. If you've tried expensive glues and been disappointed, this $9.98 powerhouse will make you a believer. Would you trust your brows to stay on during a 24-hour challenge? Comment locked if you need this hold. If you want your makeup to work for you, meet Thrive Causemetics Instant Brow Fix. This is semi-permanent technology. It's infused with vitamin B5 and a gray delay complex, meaning it treats your brow hairs while it tints them. It's a soft, flexible hold that fills in sparse areas and hides grays instantly. It's vegan, paraben-free, and perfect for my friends with sensitive skin who want a natural, defined look that actually nourishes the hair. Who else is fighting that stray gray brow battle? Drop a waving hand emoji in the comments. Ready for a brow that lasts through a long weekend? WUNDERBROW is legendary for its 3-day wear. This isn't just a tint, it's a hair fiber complex that locks onto your skin and hair. It is completely smudge-proof and waterproof. you can literally go swimming and come out with your brows still on fleek. It's professional grade stuff made in the USA. If you're tired of reapplying every morning, this is your time saver. 3 days of perfect brows. What would you do with that extra time in the morning? Tell me below. Okay, let's talk about the ultimate multitasker that belongs in every gym bag and purse. The got-to-be glued 2-in-1 brow gel and edge control. This is the secret weapon for anyone who deals with flyaways and unruly brows. It's a 12-hour stronghold formula that's sweat-resistant and humidity-proof, perfect for those long summer days or intense workouts. What makes it a standout is the dual-sided brush. The wide side tames your edges and frizz, while the narrow side gives you precision sculpting for your brows. It's infused with castor oil to keep your hair nourished, so you get that glued hold without the damage. For under $7, you're getting 2 products in one travel-friendly tube. Just a pro tip, a little goes a long way with this one to keep that finish crystal clear. Edges or brows, which one is harder for you to keep in place? Let's talk about the struggle in the comments. Backhand index pointing down. This is the future of beauty, the GrandeBROW 2-in-1. It's a tinted gel plus a brow-enhancing serum. You get the instant gratification of volume and color today, while the serum works to give you thicker, darker natural brows in just 6 to 8 weeks. It's smudge-proof, lasts 12 hours, and is clinically proven to improve your brow health. If you've overplucked in the past, this is your path to redemption. It's worth every penny. Consistency is key. Comment growth if you're ready to commit to better brows. Ardell is the king of lashes, so you know their brow glue is top tier. This is a 24-hour waterproof gel designed for that fluffy, defined look. The dual-sided brush is the secret weapon here, long bristles for coverage, short ones for the lift. It's quick drying and works perfectly even if you use false brows or extensions. It's a professional grade lift that you can do in under 5 minutes. Fluffy brows or sleek brows? Which team are you on? Vote in the comments. Want 2x fuller brows without the mess? The L'Oreal Infallible Volumizing Mascara uses a 3D microgrip brush to catch every single tiny hair you didn't even know you had. It's fiber-charged, meaning it builds physical density on the hair. It's smudge-resistant, transfer-resistant, and gives a massive boost to sparse brows. This is for the person who wants big brow energy that still looks like real hair. Volume or definition? If you had to pick one, which would it be? Let's hear it. For the girl on the go, the Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt is the ultimate one and done. The mini sculpting brush gives you insane control for a quick morning fix. It's a clean formula, free of parabens and sulfates, and it's safe for contact lens wearers. It colors, tames, and shapes in one swipe. If you have a busy lifestyle and need your makeup to keep up without the fuss, this is your fast track to polished brows. Who's a contact lens wearer? Smash that like if you need eye-safe makeup. Clean beauty lovers, this one's for you. Kosas Eyebrow is a tinted mousse gel that is basically skincare for your eyebrows. It's packed with castor oil and biotin to promote growth. It doesn't feel stiff or crunchy, it feels like air. It gives you that feathery, healthy, cool girl brow while nourishing the hair underneath. No microplastics, no synthetic waxes, just clean, fluffy perfection. How important is clean beauty to you? Comment clean or results. Finally, the heavy hitter, Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Styling Gel. We are talking 36 hours of wear. This is a highly pigmented, waterproof, and sweat-resistant formula. Whether you're hitting a high-intensity workout or a humid outdoor event, this matte finish gel will not move. A little goes a long way, and it fills in sparse spots so naturally you'd swear it was a professional tint. It's the ultimate cash cow product for your makeup kit. We made it. Which of these 10 brow icons are you adding to your Amazon cart right now? Drop the product name in the comments and I'll tell you my personal favorite. There you have it, the 20 best products that will give you your best brows ever in 2026. Don't forget, I've put the direct Amazon links for every single one of these in the description and the first pinned comment. Grab them now before they go viral and the prices jump. If you loved this deep dive, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more beauty secrets, and share this with your bestie who's still struggling with her brow game. Remember, life isn't perfect, but your brows can be. I'll see you in the next video.